Catalan Parliament will launch an inquiry committee into the espionage allegations, while the Spanish Congress has rejected setting one up. Meanwhile, Spain's judiciary is only looking into the alleged hacking of the Prime Minister and the Defence Minister's mobile devices. This is Catalan News in 100 seconds. The three pro-independence parties, plus anti-austerity En Comú Podem, have agreed to launch a parliamentary investigation into Catalan Gate. Yet, the Socialists prevented a similar inquiry in Spain's Congress, together with the right-wing parties. The Spanish government may further stumble after this move, despite the Prime Minister's readiness to talk with the Catalan president.
Que esto no les va a pasar por encima y que esto no se puede cargar a la legislatura, no está evaluando adecuadamente la magnitud de lo que tenemos enfrente.
El presidente del Gobierno habla habitualmente con todos los presidentes autonómicos y si ha de producirse una conversación, pues no habrá ningún problema, como no hay ningún problema en comparecer en el Congreso de los Diputados.
Spain's top criminal court is already investigating the alleged espionage of Spain's Prime Minister and Defence Minister, but not of the 60 pro-independence figures also believed to be hacked. Meanwhile, 30 human rights groups demand an independent investigation.
Considerem que és una violació flagrant del dret a la intimitat i el secret de les comunicacions, una amenaça a la llibertat d'expressió i el dret de manifestació.
Former President Carles Puigdemont will step aside as leader of his party, Junts, after the party convention in June. The exiled politician is focused on an entity trying to bring the pro-independence camp together. Barcelona's Comic-Con aims to gather 118,000 attendees from this Friday to Sunday. This would mean reaching pre-pandemic figures. Around 75 museums in the Barcelona area will be open for visits on the night of Saturday, May 14th, free of charge. The Picasso Museum and the Camp Nou are some of the must-sees. And that's all we have time for, but we'll be back tomorrow with another edition of Catalan News in 100 seconds. Many thanks for watching.